Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue our XSS or Reflect XSS series. And this will be the last type with Reflect XSS. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So I think bWAPP is a very good playground. And, so many boxes can show us. We can find vulnerabilities in many different scenarios and different context. Okay, so without further ado, let's head over to Linux VM. So here we need to select this one, user agent. Without a doubt, we need to inject our malicious payload into user agent field of request header. In order to that, we can utilize Burp Suite. Let me hack and enable intercept option, and we can trigger the request one more time. So here, user agent, we can try to, so why we can, or reflect XSS is here, because user agent information is displayed or is reflected on the page. Okay, so this is a very strong indicator. Okay, so let me go back to Burp Suite and try to inject like script. Of course, we are doing this at a low skill level, and this level doesn't have any sanitization in place. Okay, alert like JSON, hello, anything, forward it. And then you see our JavaScript payload has been executed, and you can see the pop-up. Okay, very easy, very similar to the previous bug. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.